This video was supposed to come out like 3 weeks ago, but I was too busy watching Hawk Tua.
Yeah, you're not saying Tua.
Alright, get back to the video.
I've always wanted a yacht. So I can sit in the jacuzzi, throw all your money on your yacht. So will I get a yacht? Stay tuned and watch the video.
Oh yes.
Are you jerking off? Pavel. What's up, boys? Shiesty Man here, back with another upload. Yeah, I changed my thing again. Don't ask why, I change it every day. But you guys really loved the last video. So yeah, we're having another one. So of course, I have 999,000. You know what I want? I want $1 million. Sorry, not million. I want $8 million. You know why? You know why? I want the Oppressor Mark II. You know what I'm saying? So I could just blow the fuck out of kids and then get like messages. Alright. So I have this already set up. I have this already set up so I can just like do this, I think. Yeah.
So then I headed over to the hangar.
And I'll walk back. Oh. Of course I did. Why did he turn? Okay, yeah, let's just get this weed though. Alright,
So then I
so I'm
headed
gonna
over
save
to
the
the
rest
compound.
of this for, I think I had a painting. Done. Skibbity. Oh, I love swimming and poop. So nice. Where's that though? Don't I have a key? Yeah. I have a key, so I can get like this little gold pistol. Pretty nice. Pretty nice.
I'm sorry, the CCTV image is a little blurry. Was that a gun made of gold? Always worth looking in the safe.
You like put the key card in the other one and then run and then get the other one. Like that's why I don't get. Yes, I'm recording this. That's how I do everything.
Security.
Sorry, we'll have 2 mil.
It looks
What?
like they have sealed off the drainage pipe you used to get in here. You will have to find another
How did
way
you
out.
find the body? Oh, shit. Like, what? Okay. Escape, but like that's never happened to me ever. Never happened to me, like ever. But okay. So, yay. Here you go, dude. Thank you. Apparently they can like know what you do. Fine, I'm giggity. Like the way you working, I'm giggity. Bag it. Okay, that's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Alright. So since that's over now, looks like we're gonna have to go to looks like we're gonna have to go back to my old roots and go over to fencing fee is 100,000? Since when? What's even a fencing fee? I don't even know. So, yeah. 2 mil, maybe? Nope, not 2 mil. No, 2 mil. Okay. I have to go over here. Money and services. Oh yeah, I forgot I have to do all this piece of shit. Okay. Monitor, but deposit 900,000. Yeah. I need 5,000 more. Are you kidding me? What the skibbity? So, but anyways, let's just go over here, I guess. The thing is, I forgot because, no, not that.
Hello guys, post TSG Gaming. Since I've did all this, I'll just like fast forward it to the end. Alright, bye.
You were Franklin, right? I hope he told you what's going down, because you didn't need to bring it. Head over to this
That did
spot.
not happen.
Hey, is that it? Cause I don't hear nothing. But if that motherfucker's still alive, go get his ass.
What's up, dude?
Get the fucking hands off! Yo, Dre.
Johnny,
Hold up, man.
you took something that belongs to me.
That's some bullshit. Got mad respect for you.
Got mad respect for
What
you.
the fuck do you know about respect?
You
Come on,
talking
man, you know
respect.
me.
You just tried to blackmail me.
I had to hustle hard to get that thing, man. I was just trying to get paid. Listen, I'm sorry. You can wipe the files, track them
Sorry.
down, drag and make this shit right on God.
You just tried to kill me. But you know what? Let's forget about that for a minute. The tracks in my phone, that shit leaked, my nigga. The shit is out there. There's no putting that genie back in the bottle. Johnny, do you think I'm a fucking dummy or something?
You keep it real?
Fuck you.
And fuck you too, then.
Watch your fucking mouth.
Take your ass back to the golf course, motherfucker. This the streets. You're way out your element, man.
It's funny that you should say that because, I got my clubs right here. And by the way, I like the 9-iron. That's my favorite. Never fails me, you know?
Yes, it
Feels
does.
so sweet, so nice, and you can really get a hold of it. You know what I mean? Now, that's a great club. And I tell you what, man. Bitch! Ass! Motherfucker!
Oh shit, he's walking away. No, let me come with you this time. Cause I really want the, what's it called? Yacht. Where is it? Where's the yacht? Okay, dock. It's here. Create your own super yacht. Aquatics. It comes with, yeah, 3 beauties, guest rooms, and a suite, sun deck, done. Twin helicopter.
Well, I'm doing Caprico again. I need to get my money up.
Aha! Sinsemito! Mr. Rubio! What a fine antique bottle of diamond-encrusted tequila you have. A drink like...
We're at the finale thingy. Yeah. Yeah, I'll give me some weed. There it is.
It pays to be selective. In bags. Perhaps next time, yes?
Oh, what? We've got this. Oh.
I promise, I will not drink this when you get it back to the sub.
$5 million. We did not take any. 800,000. Holy fuck. Don't get detected. That's actually really bad. Level 52 though.
You sure you never heard shit like this from the block before?
Top down. Top down.
I'd rather do the contract than this and make a mill. $3.6 mil. Sorry, 3.86 mil. My bad. I hate this game. Fwick. So, what is it? Health, snacks. No. Alright, so I'm gonna do a contract. And yeah. Yeah, I'll see. Yeah, I'll see you guys back when I'm like at the contract thingy.
Yep, I'm doing Caprico again. Shut up.
Right there. Easy.
Okay, I have access. The app is on your phone. Let us take a look. Have a look in the basement. No need to change the winning formula, yes?
Alright, guys.
Aha! Sincerito! Mr. Rubio! What a fine antique bottle of diamond-encrusted tequila you have.
Alright, I'll see you guys back when I complete everything.
Second.
I definitely just hit my head super hard.
Remember, cameras everywhere. Almost like Mr. Rubio feels a little paranoid sometimes.
Who's on cash? I wonder if there's stuff up there. Cause if there's not, dude, I'm not even making a mill. I make
I
a mill.
have installed special compartment for it. I remember I once ran with friends, and our friends bring bags. More bags, more money in bags. Perhaps next time, yes?
And
I promise I will not.
think. I did it finally, dude. Crap. It's nice. Potential take 4 million.
Alright, you heard the man. Hey, start trashing all that shit. That ought to bring the
Okay,
ass out, no?
but
Well,
fuck your plants. I don't think he liked me destroying all of his plants, little bitch.
Oh, you wanna hit me? Just so you know, I'm a pro fighter, bitch. Pop.
Oh, hell.
Yeah, I'm still gonna do this piece of shit thing.
This goddamn piece of shit video.
Yeah, I'm doing Kai again. What about it?
I have installed special compartment. Do not give up on a locked door. Why not ask the guard nicely for the key? Now, how are your... Boy, you will have trouble sneaking out with this necklace. It is visible from space, I think.
Let's go. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh, just 31 seconds under, dude. There we go. What's up, dog? Oh, yeah.
What the hell are you doing? You stands crazy.
Oh, I'm done that rude. Home sweet home.
Shit, if you wasn't some cross-eyed OCB motherfucker, I might like you. But you ought to know this shit. There's lines you don't cross. What line? The fuck is this about? The fuck you...
Y'all ready to make some history? Man, families and ballers unite. DNF, OCB, FDF2, shit. That's some crazy shit. Look, we meeting up with Vernon and P first. They'll take us to the last place the Parker's been seeing with the fucking music.
Do you want Vernon and P on this call?
Hell yeah, that's a good plan. Look, I'm just pulling up to Dre's house, cause he want a courtside seat for this one.
Shit, I'm headed to Puffy's house, $1 million a plate. Coming in, Air Force, Uncle Sam. Don't worry about the other men, they gon' watch the roof club. It's a hard pill to swallow, baby. Juice WRLD. Big shit.
Alright, let's go in.
Okay, Dre's looking out for you at the studio. And this shit goes without saying, man. Don't be fucking up his car, alright?
You need something, huh? One of your rides? Let me... I'll get there as soon as I can. Alright, I'll get back to work.
Hey, listen up. I just got a text from Jim. Sounds like Johnny Gunn sent his boys to the studio. They shooting the whole place to shit. Hey, get over there right now.
Giggity.
Hey, get over there. This is an emergency.
What the fuck are you waiting for?
The fuck? Finally, dude.
Now that's what the fuck I'm talking about.
Yeah,
Is anyone still breathing?
don't worry. These guys ain't getting back up.
Hey.
Alright, anyways,
I got
I'll
a
see you guys
thing
back
coming
after the
through.
mission.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
I get
This is me from $6 million. 6.9. 69. Kill me.
So then I headed over to Johnny Guns for like the 5th time.
There you are, Johnny Guns.
Take them motherfuckers out and let's go.
Some shit to do. Money, can you track my friend? Concentrate on not getting shot. On it.
Okay, FYI, Johnny is making some serious calls. Private
Here
pilot,
we
private
go.
kill squad, you know the kind of thing.
Oh, nah, this motherfucker ain't gonna fly away from shit. Hey, get down to the airport.
Dude, damn, it has never been this hard in my life. It has never been this hard.
Hey, is that it? Cause I don't hear nothing. But if that motherfucker's still alive, go get his ass.
Get the fucking hands off me. Yo, Dre.
Johnny,
Hold up, man.
Finally,
you
dude.
took something that belongs to me.
That's some bullshit. Got mad respect for you.
Ass, motherfucker!
Damn. Damn.
I don't even feel bad anymore. All right, then. Take it easy.
Finally. Peace out. Seeing that, yeah, it's gonna be mine. $6.9. Alright, I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed and do this tomorrow.
Hello guys. Hello guys. I just woke up from my sleep. So we are back. I sitting down. Yep. My monitor just keeps on breaking. Alright, VIP contract. So we basically did the same thing. I just hacked into the system, then killed these guys, and then found the limo.
Alright, shit, follow that limo.
And don't let them see you. Looks like someone got out since the car got flagged. They would have taken the data. We just need to see where it goes.
If it comes to it, take his ass out. Grab their ID and bring it back to the fucking office.
Done. Alright, let's just skip to me completing this heist. God damn it, dude, he got away. Mother fricker. Stop doing this shit to me! One day, I'ma have a yacht like that. What's up, guys? I'm back. Got me an awkward moment, but I'm just fantasizing, because I really want a yacht. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna work for, because we have $6.8 million, obviously, but I have $20,000 in my thing. I'm not trying to get robbed. Hey there, put the 20,000 in there. Boop, done. So, I'll see you guys back when I'm at the agency.
During this, I was crashing out, as you can see here. But then I remembered what Nick 830 said.
Nigger,
Dude, wrong clip. Oh shit, my bad. Yeah, bro, you're so fucking stupid.
Never give up.
Yeah, I want it louder though. Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
That's right. Let's go.
And after hearing Nick 830 say that, I was ready to complete this video and get my yacht.
I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty funny.
Yeah, well, he's out there talking about non-fuckable tokens. So, yeah, whatever. Look, you got the CCTV feed for the mansion?
Yes. Huh. You're by the DJ, right?
Hey, I think they over there. What's up?
This DJ isn't even doing anything. The equipment is streaming music from somewhere else.
Oh, so he
Don't tell me we lost you.
FYI, some more private military just arrived.
Dude, okay, bro, what the fuck? You can't jump over 2 feet?
I'm getting a mayday from the chopper.
All right, look, if you got the phone, get the phone.
Oh, how Among Us get Riz.
So then I headed over to Ching Chong's warehouse.
Oh, looks like I leveled up.
Good work out there.
Alright, I'll see you guys back when I'm at the agency. Woo! Hey.
Hey, the parking garage is open. Head inside and park up. There's an elevator in there that'll take you right up to the penthouse floor. He's not even a kid. He's like 20.
What the hell are you doing? You stands crazy. Hands up, freeze!
Phone's on the move. fast. Did he bail?
Oh shit! Get out! Don't need nothing but doing this the messy way.
The wrong soldier!
Hey, how the fuck a punk like this got an army of security?
He's out!
Okay, look, when you get down there.
This is so not fire! I surrender! Please don't kill me!
Hey man, I won't kill
Wait,
you.
take the
I'm
phone,
not.
take my laptop, they're in my backpack. All the
I want to
photos
kill
are
you,
on there.
the Caprico.
You got it all right. Time to get out of there.
Didn't die once. Thing is, I think I'm still over there. Done.
Not mention Lamar, please.
I'm Vernon, repping DNF. You with Frankie, right?
Damn!
I hope he told you what's going down, because you're gonna need to bring it. Head over to this spot. We busting up a deal. You show up for us, we show up for you. Because I got some leads. Bitch! Okay, my people ready? Let's start this motherfucker up. The van, grab it. Whoa.
If it isn't my creepy silent friend, how can I help? Can't handle the heat, my friend? Okay, leave it with...
Let me know your butt.
We're here. I'll call Franklin when I know what's
Shit! My bad, G. Do we fuck it or what? Like to get on the ground. Ow, ow, ow.
Hey, let's roll.
I get your super. And I say what?
Here's where we headed.
We.
So did Franklin tell you we going out with ballers today? Everyone I
Skibbity
asked,
toilet.
one name kept coming up for these Drake tracks. Dude called Pete. A real baller OG. Go back as far as I do with DNF. We're gonna need to talk to him. A lot. And that'll probably mean killing a whole bunch of his dudes. Nothing you can't handle, right? I got some boys meeting us over there.
Is that so we?
I knew things were going to get heavy. Hold them down. What's up, P? Fuck you.
Oh, that was the
talking
guy that
about,
was shooting
professor?
earlier.
Don't
I
act.
just consumed acid, guys.
Just give me a second. I can't go any faster. Please.
Alright. You guys have already seen basically everything. Like, the Vagos, and then the, like, the little studio thingy, and then the, what is that guy's name? Johnny Sins? No, that's the bald head. Johnny Guns. Yeah, that's the guy. Yeah, I'll just cut to the part where I got him. Okay. Alright, come here, Johnny Guns. $7 million.
Hey, is that it? Cause I don't hear nothing. But if that motherfucker's still alive, go get his ass.
$7 million, Johnny Guns.
Get the fucking hands off. Yo, Dre.
Johnny,
Hold up, man.
you took something that belongs to me.
That's some bullshit. Got mad respect for you.
Respect? What the fuck do you know about respect?
Come on, man. You know me.
You just tried to blackmail me.
I had to hustle hard to get that thing, man. I was just trying to get paid.
Bitch! Ass! Motherfucker! Let's ride. Hey, listen. I feel like we've been through a lot together, yeah? But this shit right here, it's put a lot of stuff in perspective for me. Jimmy was right. I've got to stop holding on too tight. I've got to start putting some of these demos out that I've been working on for so many years. You have no idea how much shit I've got. But you want to hear something? Okay. This is a world premiere. Right here. Right now.
Hear this for the 10th part. Yeah, 10th time.
Alright then. Take it easy.
You go to your yacht, I'm gonna go to my yacht. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This bitch is sticking in my eyes. Motherfuckers. This bond, this motherfucker ain't gonna see. And finally, I can finally end this episode off with a bang and a choo-choo train. $7 million. Finally. Not wrong website. I guess I'll do pink. I don't really need those.
G'day, boss. This is your captain speaking. Captain Brendan Darcy. You know, on your brand new super yacht.
Put my fucking deluxe on there. Cause the yacht guy doesn't give a fuck about what he does. Sit in my hot tub. Oh yeah. Anyways, I've accomplished my dream of owning a yacht. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Alright, Shiesty Man out!